Pretty good. Pretty good. Not so good. Damn, it's hot.
Kyle, what do you think?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Now it's your turn.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Alright, Chris, tell me. Give me an update.
We're almost there. We've only got about half an inch of it eaten away, if you couldn't tell by the white dust.
God damn. You're a menace to society.
Hello, bud.
Hello. Welcome.
I mean, it kind of looks kind of cool, but I don't know if I'm feeling it. Definitely looks cool on Kyle's car.
Check out what Hamza got for his car.
Huh?
Check out his new little skirt he got.
Oh yeah, I showed. It looks
Yeah, look
goofy.
at that fitment right here.
Looks so goofy,
Hell
bro.
yeah.
Yo, I'm finally be on that one Miata page where it's sick Miatas or whatever.
Boy, I saw your comment on that. I was like, hey, I can't wait to be on this page one day.
I was like, yo, can I be on the page too? Like, I'm kind of cool. Actually, yo, Loki kind of looks kind of cool from this. You excited?
Huh?
Are you excited? Huh?
Yeah.
The heck is that, bro?
Yeah.
Blood's, what's it called? What's he doing? Drilling? Blood's drilling.
You say blood's drilling?
Blood's drilling. Dang, Kyle, looking real spicy. Jeez, jeez. Oh my goodness, bro. Dang. Sorry.
I'm sitting here like, wait a minute. Something don't feel right. Something feels
Right.
off.
Something feels right, but not right.
Something just feels really wrong.
I mean, that makes. What was?
Alright, see, I fucking told you, bruh. I just dropped a bomb on the world.
Woo!
They said, oh shit,
Woo!
he's speaking the truth.
Yeah.
Who the fuck was that? Who the fuck said that?
My people. Those are my people. Alright, guys, you're gonna watch us drill into a clean Miata, no rust.
I'll make sure there's some rest.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo. Oh, hey, man, I'm almost through. It's only gonna take about 5 more minutes of hardcore drilling. Probably help if it was on that second setting.
We're gonna come back when it's on.
Hey, Hamza, you wanna do the door joint real quickly?
Man, yeah, sure. I guess. I guess.
Damn. You were impaling that shit like.
Oh, you got to, bro. Okay.
You're impaling it.
Alright. Cool. Can I close it? Watch out, Kyle. See, little brown man touching you straight, for real. Sheesh, here's Kyle's car, looking good. Dang. Nice. Chris. Yup. There's my car. It's all alone because I got here last. But dang. My boy looking good. Ooh-wee. Yeah, that's good. Happy. We're getting food now.
So where to, Mr. Photographer?
Sheesh.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Dang. Whose cool car is this?
it was, you remember how it was?
Dang, Chris, you look real cool next to your car.
Yeah, dude, I got a boner right now.
You a what?
Got it.
What'd you have?
Boba.
Sheesh. Sheesh. Bruh. Taking pictures. Taking pictures. Dang. Look at this. Yeah, here, Kyle, look at this. Sheesh. Sheesh. Sad. Bro, sad. So stupid, bro. So dumb. Over there making fun of me. You guys are making fun of me when I'm making an edit for you guys. Like, what is this? I'm making an edit for you guys, making fun of me.
No, it's just
Let me
the point.
see.
It's always
It's
the
your
point
fault.
Let me see, bro.
It's a portrait mode.
Come on, bro.
Wait, no, keep it coming.
Bro, that is insane, bro. You guys are doing me so dirty. What is that? What is that? Oh my god, bro. Jesus Christ, man. I don't even want to finish this anymore. I don't want to finish it anymore. That's crazy. Alright, bro. I'm going back to... I'm gonna just keep doing it for myself. For myself. That is insane. That's crazy. Anyways. Hi, blood. Alright, Kyle. I'm ending off the video. What do you have to say?
Buy Miatas.
What?
Buy Miotes.
I said good advice.
Yeah, that's good advice. And then buy KBD.
Oh, KBD, and then don't paint it, and then put it on
Yeah,
some...
mismatch it and then you sell it.
Okay. Got it. Chris.
What?
Alright, Chris. We're round 2. My SD card got full. Anyways, would you do this again?
Yeah.
About to die.
Yeah.
What the heck is going on right now?
I don't know, but I think it's good.
Anyways, thank you for watching, and Chris and Kyle, start kissing.
I'm half black.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Such a stupid video, bro. I wasn't even playing this, man. So dumb. Anyways,
That's the point.
bye-bye.
That's the point.
That's the point, right?
Yeah.
Sick. Alright. Goodbye.
Yeah. What the heck is that, bro? Yeah.